2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, power windows, trip computer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.